Stephen Hamby here with Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair. Tonight in the shop we're going to be working on a 1975 BMW gas tank. Our customer came down from Charlotte, North Carolina to deliver this tank to us, but they're only going to be here for a few days. They came in on a Friday, they're leaving on a Monday, so we don't have very long to get this repaired. So let's go ahead and take you over and show you the damage, and we'll get set up and started with the repair. Even though there's paint damage to the side of the tank, the customer's main concern was with having the dent removed. He did not want to repaint this tank as it was the original Daytona Orange paint scheme from 1975. So that makes this a perfect candidate for paintless dent repair. When we're repairing a dent where there's already paint damage, it's very important to use a heat gun to keep the metal nice and hot, because the stress of shaping the metal back out can actually cause the paint to crack and be damaged even further. So we have to move the metal very slowly, being careful not to overstress it, and keep it nice and warm so it's pliable during the repair. We've made a lot of progress and we're getting towards the end of the repair here. We're just doing some fine detailing work, knocking down some of the little waves and bringing up the low spots that are left to get this to a 100% repair level. Okay, we're finished, and this is the finished result on this repair. As you can tell, the dent is completely gone. All that's left as far as a reminder of the damage is the paint that was damaged. But the customer was extremely happy with this. We actually met them and hand delivered the tank to them, and they were thrilled with the results. They actually found us online watching these videos. So it's good to know that all you guys out there are checking this out and are interested in it, and that people are starting to hear about paintless dent repair on motorcycles. All right, guys, as always, I appreciate you taking the time to check this out. If you'd like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can find us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com. You can send an email to denthogs@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. All right, guys, again, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.